All right, so we want to mask out this dress quickly, and that is the party piece of Precision SM Pro Actions for Photoshop from NBP. So there's whole entire videos that show you the entire walkthrough and all the tutorials and overview of how to use every tool, but I'm going to show you the party piece today, the NBP Hue Range Selection Builder subject. It leverages some Photoshop functions and our own functions, and it kind of comes together and makes a smart layer stack that can pretty much let you develop and create any selection, even ones that seem impossible. This one should be pretty straightforward, but we do have some challenges. Let's see how we do. Let's go ahead and run it. With it done, the stack is only showing you what you need to work with, which is the subject. This grayscale version of her is simply a visualizer, and that's right here in the layer stack. You can turn the whole stack on and off anytime you like. You can close it, you can open it, no big deal. We have videos, like I said, that go over all of it. This visualizer allows you to kind of, well, visualize. Now, all the action happens mostly right here, the hue range selector, which is really just a hue and saturation adjustment layer, right? So we can come here to roughly the greens, and then we can use the lightness to bring up that range, or while we're on greens, we can just click the little eyedropper tool that the hue and saturation adjustment layer allows, and then click somewhere on the dress. Cool. And now we brighten. And there's the dress. We have that in there. But if we look carefully, turning on and off, we realize there's other colors in here. So let's see what we can do. Click the eyedropper tool with the plus next to it, and let's click in here. Oh, we got some skin tone. That's not good. So let's look at the range. It got way too wide for one selection. No big deal. We can just kind of tone that down, get it away from skin tone. See, I'm just sliding this around. I'm going to pull this towards the pink because I think that's where the elements of the dress are in. Yes, they are. And keep it away from the skin tone. Now, here's what's interesting. This is visualizing where it is. I can turn off the gray and we can look at just the selection, right? A little too much blue, but that's okay. We probably don't need all that blue in there. Trying to get that maroon in one go is probably not going to work. So just take out the blue. No big deal. You can kind of see what's happening there with that green. Now, again, this is a visualizer. So if we turn that off, this is ultimately the mask we're trying to make. And we can modify this too. We can make it more intense. We can expand the range of it. Go over here to our levels, which is what we call levels mask refine. And we can increase the refinement of it and create a hard edge mask if we want, or something a little bit softer or something very soft. We can really tailor that mask in there however we want. Now we have a little bit of a challenge, like I said, because of the nature of the dress itself. We have some other colors in here that I think are somewhere near her, but here's what we can do. Let's turn it back on. Let's go ahead and turn off our visualizer so we can just see the mask itself. Brighten it like crazy, and then understand that we can still modify underneath. So while we're on that range, let's see if we get lucky. Oh, we're getting a little bit better. A little bit more, let me see. No, that maroon just isn't happening. The glasses and the hair I can mask out really, really easy manually, but I don't think we're gonna pull, no, we get too far into the skin. No big deal. Take it away from the skin, take that little range down. That's our slope, if you will, our ramp. Okay, no big deal. I can come up to our mask and just kind of get rid of all that as I need. You can take more time to do this appropriately. And once you create the mask, you can also modify it later once you use it wherever you use it. So what you can do is just go make selection, delete layer stack, and there it is. Couple things we can do. I mean, several things actually. You can immediately choose an adjustment layer right now and work with it. That's no problem at all. Or you have these two buttons right here, also actions, that can say save selection to new channel. Click it and call it dress green. If you want, whatever, hit OK. Now when we go to our channels, there it is, available to us throughout the edit, available for us to modify in any way that we want if we want to modify that green. So for example, I can call it right now using just a quick command or control click of the channel, come back since I have it running, and then I can choose anything else like a curves, can brighten the dress, darken the dress. Maybe I just wanted the green. I didn't want the other elements in it. No matter. You can make this any way you want. And yes, if you use the mask, or simply if you use the hue and saturation layer by itself, you could do a hue or saturation adjustment directly from the actual adjustment layer. But if you want to use its selection, its capabilities of making selections for other tools like curves or like other things, this is where SM Pro really comes in to give you those kind of connections, capabilities, if you will. So if I use the main one, which does not do a subject selection, okay, then I can come to like the sky here, hit the sky if I want, and then brighten it up. Okay, and I have some green in there, so I can kind of pull it away from the green if I need to. Let's see if that helps. Yep, we're pulling it away. We still have blue elements in the sky, and that's okay. Not much we can do about that, but we have sky selection. You can see how that's coming along. It's coming along pretty good. We can turn that off, and again, we can push hue data into it, which is going to make a really, really strong result. All this is explained in our videos. I really recommend that you watch them so you kind of see how it all works. But there is a blue mask, a really powerful blue mask, that again, I can choose all that, delete the layer stack, and then do anything I want with it. Maybe even darken all the blues, brighten all the blues, whatever the case may be on a curve. And you can preview it all as you work. So you're not at the mercy of the magic wand or something else. You can choose exactly what you want and preview it while you're doing it to get that mask dialed in just right.